HT phone mount for the S2000. We've tested many brackets, many designs, MagSafe, the ones that glue to the windshield, the ones that sit on the dash. Every single one has an issue of some kind. This, super easy, fits every single phone we've tested. Everything has clearance, no running into the shifter, and it even has the extra support bracket on the back to help from the phone shaking and bouncing around. We've tried many different USB cables. This is our favorite to date. We're going to see if we can offer this in the store. You can mount it horizontal or vertical, and it has clearance all the way around. Now, this is a function I found kind of by accident. I just hit the camera button and noticed half of the camera would show the image. So after that, I decided to crop the image and make it a full-size picture. That way I could record my playing around the Dragon during the classic Honda meet. And this is something you can use for track days or just playing around mountain roads. Super easy to use, super convenient. Phone doesn't fall off during high-speed corners. LHDperformance.com.